Good morning, everyone. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? I want to see Charlie Baker. We want to see Charlie Baker.
That's right!
What do we want it?
Yeah!
Okay. I'm Philomena Trev, and I work for Independent Living. So I need my PCA, my hands. So am I going to go to work without my PCA? And I'm not giving up my PCA because my PCA has been with me since 1981. And she has to quit me. She has to quit because she ain't works overtime. She has other consumers that are more overtime. So what are we going to do? Just stay home and not go to work and pay taxes? We pay taxes for this, for us. We have the right, as disabled persons, we have the right to live as a human lives. I don't want no one to take our independence because we work so hard to get independent. So what are we going to do? Just stay behind? No, I want to meet Charlie Baker. Charlie Baker. Because he needs to see this. When we see it, we have the proof. Just to talk is not easy. When we see it, that's what we believe. So what we want?
Overtime!
What we want?
Overtime!
Amen. So what are we going to do? I'm not going to lose my job because, and my consumers. I work so hard as an independent living. Our philosophy is to take people out of the nursing homes. Now I'm going to put them back because they need care. They're so used to the PCAs that they have. So what are we going to do? Just live that and ruin our lives? No, because we work. We're not lazy. We work for this country. We belong. We are citizens, so we belong in this country. We have the right to fight for what's ours. Because Charlie Baker, he's the governor, but he doesn't know what we go through every single day of our life. Our PCA is our life. I just want to see if we have to be all in one accord to us to fight this. Because we cannot stay back. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid because I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm fighting for our rights for this country.
Thank you, Philomena.